Hey, Rob Harris here with Furman, and we're at the NAMM Show 2015. Woohoo! This year we're showing an awesome new version of a regulator. This is the M-8X AR, and this will be replacing the AR 1215 with a much better model at a lower price. This guy here, 15 amp model. It'll go ahead and regulate anything from 97 to 137 volts and put it at a nice 120 plus or minus 5. It also has a lot more, I'd like to show that off. This control circuitry is a lot more high tech. The filtration properties are better than the AR 1215, as well as the tap switching and the extreme voltage shutdown portions of things are a lot smoother now. This guy is going to come in at a price of $599. And you will find it at all friendly Furman dealers out there. So get yours today.